Okay, click this icon, Mizan, enter username and password. The password is admin small letter. Enter. You can see in here menu, okay, or different view. Click in here view and you can see in tab menu. Okay, first of all, setup. You can create company branches, make a query, double click. Okay, you see in here is company profile, and in here is some notes. Anything you will be write in here and it will be appear on the POS invoice. For example, I say unlock, thanks come again, like this, and make save. If you put the English note, it will appear when you print the invoice in English, it will be appear in English. If you put that in Arabic and print the invoice in Arabic format, you will be appear here is Arabic. Okay, no, exit. Next step, standard setup. Standard setup in here is categories. Categories, okay, you can add in here categories. In here is categories, must be start code is 3 numbers and initial code is must be 3 characters, and all is different, unique. Okay, for example, I need 777 FG T test cat and make save. Okay, same thing you can add here type, you can add in colors, brand. Okay, exit. The most important next step is inventory products. In here is categories, you can select category. You can see in here test cat. Okay, you can add in here your own code, or maybe is automatically, if you need the automatic count a code is appear, it will be automatically is appear. For example, 6661. Testing item to English name, Arabic name, you can add same. Testing item 2, or maybe you can add in here the short name also. For example, item 2, item 2 is unit is pieces. Okay, you can add in here is pictures, any picture you can add. Okay, put in here down. See, in fraction is 1, price is for example 20, sale price 30, and make save. Now your item is saved. You see, saved. You can see in here message is down. Your changes have been made permanent. Okay, make exit. The third step is most important also, opening. Any item you can create, it will be appear in here. See, in here different items, so we can see in here query 6661, execute query. See, testing item 2 is not have. We can change in here quantity. Unlock the screen, put the quantity, for example 10. This steps only for opening, inventory opening. Make a save, it will be a save. Please do not use this one reset opening balance, because if you make that, it will be everything will become to 0. Okay, exit. The fourth step is barcode. You can enter in here barcode labels. Okay, make a query. If you need to print complete these items, it will be printed all items in one click. Okay, or maybe you can enter your own products 0661, for example this one, and execute query. It will come in here 10 quantity. You can add 10, 20, 15, 100, 1 as you like, and must be select in here is your size. Is different sizes labels, and make print, put the 10 and make that print. But before you print that, must be now your default printer is barcode printer. For example, this printer is barcode printer. Must be put the right click and put the set default. Okay, and then make print. Exit. The next step is sales. Sales in here is POS. After the print the barcode, you can put your all barcode in your items. Okay, and then read in here barcodes. See, testing items like 30 real. Okay, in here cash amount maybe customer paid at the 50. Okay, 50, it will become 20 remaining, and make the F10. You can see in here F10, this one F10. It will be save and print the invoice. Again 661. Okay, now is customer will be pay, for example 100. It's 40. Make F10. It will be a print and save. transaction, it will be complete. Okay, you can see in here 60 real is paid. Suppose I make that 661. Okay, and customer say me just say wait, I will go back and give the other items. You can make that in waiting. Make without amount F10. It will be go in waiting. Normally you can make that double click, it will be return back item. You can add more items. For example, this we don't have this item 661. Okay, 2 items, or maybe you can add 3 items. Maybe customer say I do not want this item in the middle. See the picture. Okay, make that is clear. Okay, that one is clear. Now it's 2 items. Customer paid that 500 for example. Okay, make F10. Okay, it will be paid. You can exit. Okay, the fifth step is sales return. Sales return. Okay, you can make a new, put in here return reference number invoice, or maybe you can add the F9. It will be appear like this. Enter. I need return this item. Make unlock. Okay, put in here for example 30 real. Okay, and make save. Alas, this item will be returned. The next step is I need to see ledger this item. Inventory ledger. Six 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 one. Company name. By date. And make a query. See that opening is 10. Opening quantity is 10. We sell that these items and return this one. Now finally is we have 7 pieces remaining. We have 7 pieces remaining. Exit. Inventory stock. You can see in here your location, company, and if you make that the query, it will appear all items in here. See, or if I need that, no, I need just test cat only. You can see only just one item. Final is 7. Okay, make an exit. You can see in here inventory balances. For example, opening stock. Okay, select in here opening start, put the categories. categories, make tab for reports. See, opening is 10. Same like that. If you need closing, closing is 7. Okay. Okay. Now I will go back. Now I finished that item. Same item I purchased. Okay, put the purchasing, purchase receive, purchase invoice. We select that purchase invoice. Enter new. Okay, put the vendor. Vendor maybe I don't have, only just for example supplier 123. Okay, enter. Payment mode, for example credit. Okay, select these items 661 or different items. Receiving item 10, price 20. Okay, enter and make save like this. Now we have must be quantity 17. So we will go back and see that stock ledger. Six one, enter company 19 Curie. See, opening 10, we sell 4 pieces, return 1 pieces, and purchasing 10 pieces. Now stock is 17, so it will be correct. This is purchase. Next step is reports. Sales reports. Reports, inventory reports. You can see in here your daily reports. For example, I need to see today reports. Company, select company. In details and summary reports, I need to see first details. Click one. We can see in here complete detail reports. 10116 is 30 real, 30 and 60 real is okay. The other one is 17 also is 60. So total amount we have today 120. That is details. The next report is summary. Just only put this one, click. It's 90 day 120 real today. 2 invoices 120 real paid it. Sales return. We can see in here details. We have 30 real details. is returned. We can see in here different reports. Okay, exit. The last and final things is configurations. Configuration is user rights most important. 1001 is an admin. They have full options, full access. So we need that new 1004. Put the password, for example 12345. Name is test user. Arabic name test user. English language is English. Department, if you need department, make a save. Then on lock screen, module options. For example, we need to give him just sale. Enter the sale, make refresh, give him to write only sale return and POS. Save and make save. Okay, go the menu, refresh and give him only is save. And make save. Exit and login again. F9, you can see in here list test user. Select test user 1 2 3 4 5. Enter. Nothing, they have only just point of sale. Only point of sale. Or view, you don't have anything, just only point of sale and return. I hope you enjoyed that software. If you have any explanation, you can contact me through the internet. Have a nice time.